What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this mini FM magic box. This is a very small enclosure, and you can see FM USB FM panel. So it's called magic box, a mini one. So for that you need this enclosure. It's a metal one, and this will cost me rupees 40 only. And then you need this USB FM kit, which cost me 120. And then you need few other components: the RCA socket and this 5-volt AC to DC 5-volt converter kit, and this two battery sockets for here back connections. So we're gonna mount this two battery sockets at the back, but it's no use of it because I'm gonna connect the direct AC to this kit, and from this side we'll get 5-volt. So I'm not gonna connect the battery connections, but if you want to connect this battery, I'm gonna mount this two sockets, but it's not gonna be connected inside. So if you want to connect this, there will be 12-volt, of course, a minimum of 12-volt from the battery, and for that you need a 12-volt to 5-volt converter IC. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use this AC to DC 5-volt kit. So let's open this and start making it. Alright, so everything is done. Now you can see that's our magic FM box, and it's turned on. It's connected to this mobile phone, and I have connected this to this amplifier right there through this white and red RCA. Now this is a high wattage amplifier, but the problem with that, this thing is made for the subwoofer. So this side, this thing has the low pass filter, so only bass will come from this channel, and this is a normal straight channel, so there wouldn't be any bass. But as it's a high wattage amplifier and I didn't have the bigger speaker, so I have connected this channel to this Pioneer center speaker, so the sound may be a little bit of messy on this channel, but you can hear the song and understand the song and the difference. So let's play one song. So that's it. You can hear the nice sound. The bigger speaker, that's working very fine, but that's a small speaker, 3-inch speaker for the center channel. That's one. So as this is a 400 watt amplifier, power amplifier, so this speaker cannot handle that much power for a long time. So I'm not playing for. I'm not playing much, but just to test this amplifier. So it's ready now, and you can connect the power card and then connect the RCA to any amplifier, and you can have the Bluetooth option with any old, new, any kind of amplifier. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.